Hey everybody, this is Jonathan with Food Forest Farm. Just wanted to do a quick video on leaf protein concentrate, or the making of leaf tofu. So I took one of my favorite new plants, Paulownia tomentosa, or princess tree, and took the leaves. Here they are. There are the leaves of Paulownia. Beautiful. And I chopped them up, minus the stem, put them in a Vitamix blender, and made the fiber with the liquid. Then I strained out the liquid from the fiber. Here's the fiber. Boiled it for about 1 minute, and the whey separated from the protein, or the leaf cheese. And so here's the whey, once I filtered it out with a cheesecloth. And here is the leaf cheese, or leaf tofu. When it's in the ground form, the leaf is chopped up. It doesn't smell all that great, doesn't smell appetizing. But once you get it down to this form, and it's cooked briefly and turned into the tofu, it's the texture of actually the texture of, once you take the water out, you just squeeze the water out. It's actually the texture of fine tofu, or silken tofu. And just take it over here and we'll set it down, and if you just take a little piece and pop it in my mouth. It's kind of drier now since I squeezed out the liquid. I'll pop a little in my mouth and let you know. It's mild. I think the potential here is to grow it with excuse me there. Grow the Paulownia, make the tofu, and then add it in with something like guacamole. I mean, you can put in soup. Lots of different cool things you can do with the high protein of the leaf protein concentrate. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that, and you guys can experiment with it. Let me know on this post. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Bye-bye.